Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how you can print any website. First, we need to visit a website which we want to print content from that website. To do that, there is two ways available that we can do. First, that you visit the website and you can just right click at that, and here we have this option which I can just click the print. You can use the shortcut Control P as well. And the second way to do that to print the website is that we need to click here, and down there we have the print. So what we can change with the print here, first you can see the preview of the print, and here we have the destination that you can select a printer. Then we have the pages. If I select all, it's going to print all pages. So here we have only one page, and if there is more than one page, you need to go with the custom. And here, as you can see the example, you can go between 1 to 5, and you can set the 8, or you can set 11 up to 13 pages that you want to print, just like this. You can see the example. And next we have the layout, which I can select the portrait and landscape. Next we have the color. You can select black and white. You can go with a color. And if I click on more settings, what you can change here is that here you can set the paper size. If I click here, you can see from later, and we have all this A3, A4, A5 and B4. And next here we have this pages per sheet, which I can set from 1 to 16. Maybe I want to go with the 2 pages per sheet. Only here we have one page available right now, and if there is more than one pages, then you can go with this pages per sheet. And next we have the margin. You can see it is selected as default. If I want to go with a custom, so here we have none, the minimum, and I can go with a custom. If I click the custom here, I can set the margin from top, from left, from right, and from down, just like this. And next we have a scale, which here, as you can see, the custom is selected. I can go with the default one, and if I select the custom one, default is just look like this. But if I go with a custom, so here you can see it's going to zoom in and it's going to scale that page. And here I can include these options, which I can include the headers and footers, and if I don't want, I'm going to uncheck that. And also next, under options, we have the background graphics. If I don't want to include that in print, then I'm going to uncheck this as well. But if I want to include them here, then we need to select the headers and footers and also the background and graphics, which I want to print with this page. And here you can see print using system dialog, which I can use Control plus Shift plus P. Now I can just click on print button, and it's going to print this page which I'm right now. So this is how we can print anything with our Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.